very tricky, so you have to be careful, because once you miss one, whenever they bring the code, and once you miss one, definitely you're going to start afresh. So it's very tricky and you have to be careful. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do this from A to Z. Okay, now for A, you have to tap dot and then dash. So to do that, you have to tap once and then tap again and then hold, then release, just like this. You tap once, you tap again and then release. That's A. Then for B, you tap and hold. For minus, then you dot dot dot. That's for B. Then for C, you click and hold, dot, you click and hold, then dot. That's for C. So D, you click and hold for the dash, you click, so that's for D. So now the words aren't coming out because that's not the correct lineup for the secret word. So but I'm just putting you through so you know how to enter each word whenever they bring out each letter, whenever they bring out the secret word for you. So now for E, just once. So that's it. So you see E came out because it's one of the, I think it's the first letter in the secret word for today. So but once you enter another one, it's going to disappear because it's not going to be in line. So but now I'm just putting you through on how to put the words one after the other and how to do it on your own. So now for F, dot, you hold and release, then dot. That's for F. Okay, now for G, you click and hold, then dot. So you have to be fast in doing this so that you don't because anytime you waste, it's going to choose a different number for you. So you have to be fast in any one you're doing. Then for H is 3 dots as 4 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for H. Then for I is 2 dots as 1, 2. And for J is dots, then you hold and release, hold and release, hold and release. That's for J. Then K, you hold and release, you hold and release. Now for L, dots, you hold and release, and dots. That's for L. Then for M, you hold and release, then you hold and release. Then for N, you hold and release, you hold once. Then for O, you hold and release, hold and release, hold and release. Yeah. Then for P, it's dots, then you hold and release, dots. Then for Q, you hold and release, dots, hold and release. Then for R, dots, you hold and release, and dots. Then for S, it is 3 dots, so that's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then for T, just hold, release. Then for U, is dots, hold and release. V, dots, then you hold and release. Then W, you tap and then click and hold. Then for X, you click and hold, tap, click and hold. Then Y, you click and hold, dots, click and hold. Then for Z, you click and hold, dots.